What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is totally different from my whole hair tutorial videos. Today I'll be showing you this amazing product just discovered recently. It's the black seed oil. I just want to give you a review about the oil and the health benefits. But before we start, I want you to hit that subscribe button for me and the notification button for it when I start posting videos. So let's get this party started. So I just discovered this product. It's called black seed oil, and this is like 5,000 naira, like 100 ml. Yeah, 5,000 naira. To show you how expensive it is. So let me show you what it looks like. What it looks like. Black seed oil. So lately I've heard a lot about this oil, so I said to get one for myself. So I got to know about this oil from somebody. Somebody recommended it to my husband because it has chest infection. It has a little bit of asthma and allergy. It came with this drop. See? It doesn't really smell good, but the health benefit is amazing. So the oil came with a little bit of instruction, and it says black seed oil direction for use. So mix half a teaspoon of black seed oil with some honey. Take the mixture first thing in the morning and last thing at night. Add a few drops of black seed oil in boiling water in a bowl and inhale the vapor. Can be added to incense and used in aromatherapy. Suitable for children, the elderly. And I'm just going to Google black seed oil to give you guys more benefits of this amazing oil. So I just saw that, okay, I just heard that it just helps with birth control. I don't know how true it is, but you can apply it directly into your skin for people that have arthritis. It helps with the skin as well. People that have skin condition like eczema. Wow, really? Cirrhosis. Wow, amazing. It softens the skin and improves skin moisture and hydration. It heals wounds as well. Wow. So it helps. It has a lot of packaging, like this little thing right here can save life. Like this thing here, it has a lot of health benefit from your skin to your hair to your health. You know, I recommend it to anybody. I will recommend it. It's amazing for hair growth. And the main reason why I bought it was for nasal congestion. You know, when you have this very strong cough that refuse to go, so it helps you to cough out those mucus from your system. So, and it has done an amazing job for me. So I recommend black seed oil. So I like to share when I see something that is helpful to me. I like to share with people. So I did a little research on the oil, and I discovered that it's been here for over 2,000 years. So man, the oil has been in existence. So it helps with digestive problems like lung problems, lung infection, cough, wheezing, flu. it boosts your immune system. For me, I use it for my hair, so I massage it into my hair just like this. And people say you should wash it out, but I don't think washing it out is depends on what you want. Me, I want the oil to, you know, penetrate into my scalp, so I leave it there, you know. Help the skin to glow. Can't see my skin is glowing. Glow, baby, glow, 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 baby, glow. So I will recommend the oil for you guys. I bought this one from I'll put their everything on my description box in case you want to buy yours. This is what the bottle looks like. I like that packaging, well packaged. Especially know how to package things. Yeah, the health is from the health play. I put everything about them in the description box. If you like my hair, I'll put the link down in the description box for you to see how I slay this hair from start to finish. Look, it looks so natural, guys. I did the closure myself, so I'll put the video down in the description box for you to watch it. Yes, I want you to watch it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel.